Welcome back. I've got another affirmation tutorial for you today, and this is for the people that maybe you're not so tech savvy, or perhaps you don't have a computer and you just want to make some audio affirmations pretty quickly on your phone. So in a moment, I'm going to go onto my phone. I'm going to show you through this process. And this is just one example. Of course, there are many different ways. There are many different apps that you can do this, but I want to show you how easy it is to get started with this. You can literally download my free affirmation prompts. I'm going to use them in the demo in this video, and then you can copy them in. You can create your audio, you can add the music, you can export it, and you can put it in your headphones and listen to your affirmations immediately. You can start reprogramming your mind right away. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I've got some affirmations which I've saved onto the notepad, and this is from my affirmation prompt sheet, so you can download this for free. The next thing we're going to do is go into the app, Audio Lab. It's free to download. I'm using an Android. I don't know if it's on Apple, but there should be something else similar. If not, hopefully you can get this. And then basically what we're going to do is create these affirmations. So in this particular app, what you can do is you can create your own voice affirmations, and you can also use text to speech. So for this demo, that's exactly what we're going to do. So I'll scroll down. I've got the text to speech, and I'm just going to paste what I just had there. Okay. So I've already set this up, but you'll see on the screen here, you can choose the language, you can choose the accent, and then another important aspect, you'll see the pitch and the speed. So I actually want it to be a little bit slower. So I'll just test this out a minute.
Money comes to me effortlessly every day. I feel so grateful.
So have a play around with that. Once you're happy with it, you can then click this button, and then we can export this. And then the next thing we're going to do is download the audio. So I found this website. There's several different websites. I'll leave some in the description so you can check some of them out. And this one has some free meditation tracks. So we're going to hit download on there, wait for that to download, and then we're going to add that in a second. And then back in Audio Lab, we're going to hit the mix audio. And what we're going to do now is select the affirmation track, and also we're going to select the song. So you can add another one here. Okay, so then we're going to have both of the tracks in there, as you can see. And what you can do now is, because you've got the mixing option on, so we can adjust the volume of this. So what I'm going to do is play both of them.
Money comes to me effortlessly every day. I feel so grateful for the abundance in my life. Money is a sign that I am providing value in the world. My bank account continues to grow every day. I attract abundance into my life because...
Okay, so I think the levels on that are okay, but I'm just going to show you. Let's say, for example, I want to lower the affirmations a little bit just because I want the music to be a bit louder, or maybe the other way around. So you've got these plus and minus on the left and the right. So if you're listening in headphones, it's going to be left ear, right ear. And then you can just lower a bunch of them down. And then you can play around with that. And once you're happy with it, you can select the tick button.
Money comes to me effortlessly every day.
You can listen to it there.
I feel so grateful for the abundance in my life.
So you see how simple that is. I've got an affirmation track now. It's an AI voice. You can do the same thing.
My bank account.
And then it allows you to go into the next step if you want to add some mixing stuff there. What I recommend on this bit is, if you've got your affirmation track first, I would go into some of the other features within the app and edit the audio based on how you want that, so that you're not mixing and matching the actual music. And then once you're ready with that, you just hit the save button, and then you can export it onto your phone, put your headphones in and listen to it. So I just wanted to show you how simple it is to create an audio affirmation using free stuff on your phone. In the description below, I'll leave some links where you can check out free music, free apps to use. And also, if you want to learn more about affirmations and take things to the next level, you can check out my affirmation breakthrough course. As always, thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you real soon.